Good morning folks, it's Sunday the 20th of April, it's just after 9:30, Easter Sunday it is. So you join me up at Spittal of Glenshee, just parked the car there at the hotel, £10 for the night. I'm going to be doing a well camp tonight. I'm going to be doing Carn and Righ and Glas Tulaichean with a well camp. See how the weather is. According to the weather forecast, it's to progressively get better as the day goes on. So here's home. It's lovely now, it's really nice now, but hey guys, that's been on the go for an hour. I just covered 4k. Current height is 500 metres. That's looking back down the glen, guys. I come up this track on the left here, but you can come up this one on the right. They join up at the top here. I don't know what difference it makes, but the Loch route brings you up this way. We're on this well defined path, but it's really steep. You're gaining height really quickly. This is at 650 already since we left that wee burn. Still high cloud, which will do nicely. I've seen a guy get up on an e-bike, no problem, ate it up, so it did, just ate it up. Alright, how you doing?
It's still as hard going this way as it is going up.
I seen you getting up, how'd it go? How did the best of you? I was just chatting to that guy there, 70-year-old he is. And he's done 20 munros on his e-bike, which I think's fantastic. From the car to the summit, it was 45 minutes, and he didn't push once. He cycled all the way to the summit. So good on him, well done. This is at summit of Glas Tulaichean, 1051 metres. That took us 2 hours and 40 minutes to get to the summit. I thought I'd go back up to the summit, seeing as the sun came out for a bit there, but I think it's going to go away. There's a wee guy in a microlight duking about, I don't know if you'll see him. Headcase. Bear a glow back there, one of my favourite hikes, just coming into the Clag. I've done a well camp just doing that glen at Loch. That's me just making my way down after first Munro, and that sun's starting to come out. There's no wind in here and it's really warm, absolutely roasting down in here. So that's my target there, at the back. No, this one here, that's Ben Luther Moor here. So that's Carn and Righ at the back here. So I pick up the path, I don't know if you can see it. Pick up the path here. I'm going to drop my pack just there, and I'm going to do it with no pack on and pick my pack back up once I come back down off the summit. Better to get rid of that thermal layer. It's absolutely roasting. Oh, a lot better now, but a lot cooler. Still chilly when that wind gets up, but it's turning out a beautiful day. It really is. This path's not the best. Boggy, muddy, rocky. Not as good as the ones we were on Glas Tulaichean. Right, I'm going to dump my pack here and then I'm going to head up this second Munro. Summit, Carn and Righ, that took 4 hours and 44 minutes, so about 2 hours between the two summits. I'm up here with no kit. The weather looks as if it's coming in, so I'm going to get off this mountain and get down and get to my pack. What's the chances, eh? Oh. Well, oh, the gamble paid off. Managed to get up and down to the summit with the rain coming on, the clag coming in, or getting lost. So it's good to see my pack. Oh. Right, let's have a look at tonight's setup. We're in the Hilliberg Acto. I've got the foil mat, I've got X-Bed down mat, Sierra Designs quilt. I bought the Army Issue G10 heavy bag. I'll not be cold tonight, but what a place for a pitch. Unbelievable. Yeah, places like this never seem to amaze me how remote, how beautiful they are. Just look for yourself, guys. Check that, check what my tent is. Cheers. Right guys, I don't know what it is, right? But there's birds squawking over there, right? I don't know what kind they are. But one of them sounds like Stephen Hawking's. Hear him? It sounds like Stephen Hawking's. Same again guys, I'm going for another Irish coffee. Beautiful day. Right, the 15 minutes are up. Let's try this. It looks alright, smells alright, tastes alright. That ain't too bad, that's okay. That's okay. Spicy pork noodles. I don't think they're midges. Too big for midges, but they're wee flies. Pain in the arse. Wow, no wind. See wee flies everywhere, man. Have a look at the camera, I don't know, they're no midges. I don't know what they are. They're certainly no midges. Right guys, that's dinner done. What can I say about that meal? That was actually really nice. It didn't look nice, it tasted really good. Really good, yeah. There was one complaint about it. I wish there was more of it. There wasn't really a lot in it, 510 calories, but it's enough. It's enough to see me through to tomorrow. But the day's hike, brilliant, fantastic. Enjoyed it. Another 2 Munro in the bag that I've not done. So I'd seen a few guys camping at this spot, and I knew I still had 2 Munros today. So the other one's sort of closest one to it's Ben Luther Moor. I've done that one. It's Cairn back, I think its neighbour is. So I've done that, but I'd still these 2 today. So I'm sure it was Kevin Russell's video I seen where he camped here. It just gave me an idea. Come camp here and get the 2 Munros out the way. But the weather's fantastic. There's not a drop of wind now. A lot of wee flies about. I thought they were midges, but they're no. I don't know what they are. They're no bothering you or nothing. There's just a lot of them. Just a lot of them. So I dare say this could be mid-city in the summer. Yeah. Ah well. So dinner done. Got a few more beers there. I've got some, it's no Glaive, Jim Beam orange I've got. and I've got a wee movie for the night. Yeah, last time it never worked. I don't know if it's going to work this time. I'll get a check out.
Comes up at 9.
Whoever used that vault is going to want to kill you with a spoon.
Right guys, that's me done. It's 9:10. I'm absolutely knackered. Watching a wee film there, King of Thieves, Michael Caine, Ray Winston. I've not seen it before, it's really good. But I think I've got maybe half an hour to go. I just can't keep my eyes on them. So I'm going to hit the sack. Had a great day. 2 Munros in the bag. Cracking spot for a wild camp. And aye, that's it. It's good night Vienna. So I'll catch you in the morning guys. Good night. Good morning folks. It's 5:20. Really comfortable sleep. Really comfortable sleep last night. Really warm. Didn't you hear? It's pouring the rain now. For the morning's breakfast, I'm just going to have a Scotch egg and a protein bar. We look outside the tent. Oh, that clag's cleared. It's very claggy first thing this morning. Hey guys, 7:20. All cleared up, ready to go. That's my tent was last night. You can just see the footprint, the dry footprint, there it was. Leave no trace has been applied, all my rubbish is in my pack. Have you ever noticed that no matter how much kit you use, i.e. food, beer, you never seem to get that space back the next day? You just don't get it back. But anyway, we're packed up, we're good to go. Right, let's do this. That's a wee look back down the glen where we just came from. We were way up in the clag up there. Follow that burn all the way down and you pick up this Land Rover track. I don't think we'll get far to go, maybe a couple of K to go. Hey guys, that's us done. Finally back at the car. This is the moment of the hike. You're glad you paid for parking in the hotel. You don't get the extra K's along to the end. All in all, we were 8.5 K there in 2 hours and 15 minutes. So fantastic hike yesterday. Fantastic well camp last night. That was a great hike on the way out there as well. I'll put some stats up. So if you've managed to watch this far, thanks very much for watching. And no doubt I'll catch you on the next one.